Hi, my name is Eric, and in this video, I want to teach you how to create simple avatars like the one you're seeing right now.
Hi guys, so this particular platform allows you to create avatars. So let me walk you through the process, and if you watch to the end, you're going to find out this name of this particular platform. So here on their avatar section, you get to see avatars could be baby. So anytime you see baby avatars and you're wondering how they do it, this is how it's being done. So this particular baby avatar I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be selecting the gender is a male, and then you see option for young, mature, elderly. So I'm going to be using young, and then the figure is the person on average or large. So let's say average and see what will come out. Okay, so I'm just going to untick it because we're definitely going to be using this small baby you're seeing here. So the next one is the name of the person. So I'm going to say Brian, although my character is called Eric. Okay, so industry, you can select the industry you want to see. Is it finance? Is it education? Whatever industry you're going to be picking. Then the scene, you're going to decide where is the person going to be. Is it in the living room? Is it in the bedroom? Just where is the person going to be? Where is this particular avatar going to be? So you see this particular one is already at the background of the house. That is it, like the background is blurred, right? So that's for this. Now I'm going to say, okay, I'm okay with this. The next thing I want to do is to edit my script. So you can see my script here. I already edited them. I've created my script here. All you need to do is to click on this edit, and then you can start the arrangement, type whatever it is you want to add to it, and you are good to go. And then if you want to show it as a caption in the video that you're creating, this particular avatar video you're creating, you just need to tick and say show as caption. If you do not want to show as caption, you can untick it and leave it to just be plain. But me, I actually love it when my videos have captions. It makes it easy for anybody to understand what is going on right there. So you see here, I'm going to just click on show as caption, and I'm going to scroll down to say how I want the caption to display. So this is the one I'm actually using here. This one you're seeing here, this quick brown force, that's what I'm using. And then I'm going to save my caption the way it is. So if I want to change it to something else, a different language, I just click on it here and it's going to change, right? So, but I'm using English, so there's no need to do that. So the next thing I want to do is to come here to, there are other options, other things that you can do. Come back to where I have my choose avatar. So the thing is, you can either upload your own personal picture that you want to use as avatar. That is, you already have your image ready. You already generated your image maybe from ChatGPT or any other platform where you generate your AI pictures or images from. So you can also use it under my avatars, meaning you can create now or you can upload yours. AI talking photos, you can create them here, okay, just by either uploading or using the ones you want to create ASAP here. So you decide how you want it to be. So that's it. So I come back here to my recommended, and then probably the next thing I want to do is either play my all my video and see how it looks like. Then it will tell you that the accurate lip sync will be available after you export your video. So when you are trying to play the video here, do not mind if the lip sync is not correct. Just make sure you're done exporting before you check out for that lip sync. So the next thing I want to do is to go ahead and either edit more, like change the voice, add music, and edit media. You can do all of that. So, but I do not want to do that, so it doesn't take our time while making this video. All I need is to just click ahead and say export video. So now I'm going to put in the name of the content, change the name. So for now, this particular platform is also free. There is no watermark. All right. So I say no watermark. The resolution is 720, or I can say I want it to be 180, as the case may be. Then you see here, I see my quality, which is recommended, the frame rate, and then the format. And then I go ahead to do what? Download my video. So you allow it to finish downloading your video for you and you're good to go. So this particular platform is called ppit.com. I think I've made a video on it on how to do something like this. So it's called ppit, and you just need to create a free account with them. Like I said before, create a free account with them and you will be able to access some of the features they have here. So currently right now you can generate as many content as you want for free, no watermarks and all of that. So can you see now? When you come here, you click on avatar videos. So you see avatar videos, which could be your um, which could be the pictures they have there, or you upload your own personal picture that you can use as your avatar. So that's how to use this particular platform. See you in my next video. Bye for now.